ओ मैडम
ये बाजूला एक मिनट
वेट पीछे ले ले, पीछे ले ले
आदिति थोड़ा यस आदिति होल्ड 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 वन भैया आदिति हमारा फोटो ना करे आदिति
पीछे ले लो। अंदर चलो।
all over me and his
एक मिनट वाली आगे ना भरपूर आ गए गौतम सर मॅडम मॅडम इकडे एक सोडत असताना ही कुठं उभी राहिली मध्येच
कॅमेरा समोर प्लीज क्लोज 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 सर जवळ या
सर 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 थोड़ा आपका पैर आ रहा है बस हाँ मैम हाँ तो हटो ना
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Hi, I'm Shanta.
Hello.
अरे
मैम प्लीज हमारा स्टॉल देखिए चलो चलो बिलाल चलो 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 मूव ए उधर क्राउड मत करना अंदर हाँ प्लीज बाहर प्लीज दिस वन इधर क्राउड मत करना
Thank you.
So, what do you like to say about the new Indian Art Festival, the exhibition?
I think it's fantastic. There's a huge number of artists here, and a lot of them are there presenting their own work. It was like I walked through it. I couldn't really stop much, but there were quite a few painters and stalls that sort of were very exciting. So I walked in. I felt really bad because I couldn't go into every stall, but it's great to see so many artists on one platform and that they've given this platform to show their work. And I'm a big fan of art, so I'm happy that I could make it. I just about managed to make it, so I'm happy that I could be here. I think anything that's beautiful or anything that speaks to you, आप एक painting को देखते हैं and there's an instinctive reaction that you have to it. For me, it's that. Whether the artist is well known or not well known, it's just an instinctive reaction, and you just can keep looking at that painting. And I think that's what makes a painting amazing, that if it speaks to you personally.
Well, thoughts on India Art Festival, thoughts on... yeah, see, it's very lovely when, you know, the artist like Aditi comes here, you know, for the art festival. There are almost 571 artists participating here, 45 galleries. Of course, they feel inspired when somebody comes, you know, of her stature and inspire their artworks. As she asks, you know, how she get connected. I saw her walk through, but whenever she feel connected with art, she went inside and saw, and that's very lovely experience. Artists also feel inspired, and wherever she entered, to be frankly, those were very, you know, master artists and exciting artist artworks. She went into 5-6 booths, and that's without saying that I'm writer, I'm curator, I'm art critic for many years. But she is an actor. Wherever she used to go, my experience says I would have gone in the same booths. So that's something. She feel connected, and she, you know, immediately went inside.
Okay, मैम कल्चर की बात करें तो हमेशा एक नाम आता है वो है आपका. You always promote our culture. So how do you feel that whenever you take the name of a culture promotion, you are the first name?
Because I think India is an amazing country, and हम quite often हम लोग बाहर की तरफ देखते हैं for inspiration, but actually बहुत inspiration हम में खुद में है, and I think the more we have confidence in ourselves, the more amazing it will be for our country. And I also feel कि आज के दिन it's very important to say कि हमारी जो संस्कृति है वो we have this Ganga Jamni tehzeeb, and we are a syncretic culture, and we are about being plural, and we are about being varied, and I take a lot of pride in that, because it is from this diversity and from this pluralistic nature of our country that we have such a beautiful culture and such a wonderful culture, and we have so much to learn and imbibe from it. And trust me, anybody who loves art will say कि how much ever they have lived and learned, there's always so much more to learn from artists, because artists work with their hands and their hearts, and there's always something to learn from them because they are just so authentic and so genuine. So I feel very inspired when I am around people who create. So
अभी एक इंडिया को जाना जाता है अनेकता में एकता के बारे में, लेकिन जिस तरह से देश का माहौल है खासतौर से जो सेलेब्स जो आते हैं, जैसे दीपिका का मामला हो गया, सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे कि उनके फिल्म को बैन करने की बात हो गई, क्या लगता है आपको जब भी
इस बारे में मैं आज नहीं बात करूंगी, मुझे जो बोलना था मैंने कह दिया है,
बट आपको
एंड
लगता
आई
है
थिंक दैट इज सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी।
आपको लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री को सॉफ्ट टारगेट होता है इसलिए लोग कुछ भी मतलब बोल
इस बारे में भी मैं बात नहीं करना चाहूंगी, बिकॉज today is a day for the India Art Festival, about the industry and what's happening in the country, that we can talk another day. वो एक लाइन में नहीं कह सकती.
Okay, Aditi, what's the status of the girl on the team? Because has you finished the movie?
Yeah.
So what's the status?
Actually मैं खुद अभी आई हूँ टाउन में आज सुबह, तो मुझे नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है. जब मुझे पता चल जाएगा I'll let you know. But it should be releasing very soon. Yeah.
That's it. Thanks. Siddharth.
Thank you.